All right, time to take a look at the NJSJ USB gaming microphone kit. Oh, this is nice. So this is an adapter, so if your laptop has a USB-C, you can still plug this directly into the laptop. It's actually a nice metal adapter too. It's pretty cool. So we got our arm. I do like that it doesn't just spring around and kind of hold its position. It also has a threading adapter on here so you can put different size mics on there. That's actually pretty cool. And we got a tensioning knob right here so we can lock that in place. On the bottom it's just a stud so we can stick that directly into our arm holder. And this is a clamp style arm holder, so this will just clamp onto the desk. You got a metal screen pop filter, nice long USB-A to USB-C cord, a couple of Velcro cable ties, and the mic itself. Very lightweight mic. We got our volume adjustment here on the bottom, very smooth. I like that. It also has a shock mount on here, so if you got any kind of like taps or anything on your desk, that helps to reduce the vibrations in the mic. And then we got our mute on the top. Okay, what you're listening to right now is actually coming from this microphone. It's a little bit odd the way that this is oriented because the arm is on the left side, but the front is directly here on the front. So the best way to actually get this thing to pick up sound would be to have the arm in the back right here. So right now I'm actually speaking into the side of the microphone. I'm going to see if it makes a difference if I speak into the front and the back. So let's do the front. Test, 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 test. Pop, 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 pop. And the back. Test, 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 pop, 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 pop. Test, 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 pop, 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 pop. Okay, so now I'm going to mute it. Test, 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 test. So it does appear that does fully mute it. So now if I press and hold, it should reduce the brightness. So if you don't want those bright colors in your face, you can kind of reduce that to make it a little bit more pleasant if you're going to be working in the dark. So I'm going to turn that back up. There we go, just to get kind of the full effect. But if nothing else, I can definitely say this is a good looking mic. I think it does look pretty darn cool. So yeah, overall, I think that is a pretty cool mic.